Hi, my name is Aayush. I'm from Hyderabad, India. I went to Boston University for my undergrad. I did my undergrad in mechanical engineering with a concentration in aerospace. And at the moment, I'm working in Dallas as a product design engineer with a startup called Boson Motors. That time, I met Venkat sir through Fiji. Back then, like uh, I believe towards the second half of my 11th class, I met Venkat sir, and from there, I just spoke to him and saw what kinds of options are there, and he was very helpful in guiding me through what different countries and what different options are out there, and letting me figure out what's best for myself, while always being there to guide me and tell me this is good, that's not good, and all of that. Apart from that, obviously, he was also very helpful in SAT preparation and visa applications and university applications. Yeah, so IELTS, the best thing that I liked about IELTS was it was, first of all, it was something new that I never heard of. SAT, I guess a lot of people know that you have to write SAT to go out and all of that. But IELTS was something that was new to most people, as in not a lot of people knew about it. So Venkat helped me a lot in understanding the format of the exam and regular practice tests. So it used to be at least I don't remember now, but at least like a lot of practice tests. One of the colleges that I wanted to get into, but the college that I like, my top was University of Michigan, which I didn't get into. But my options after that were like BU, Virginia Tech, University of Maryland, and Purdue. So, and then I chose Boston University as one of the four that I had. I also had a few acceptance in a few universities in the UK as well, University of Edinburgh and University of Bath. But I chose to go to the US at that point in time. But that's how it came to be. So this is one of the things that I believe Venkat sir's input was very important in my university application process. So the final two universities that I was stuck at was Virginia Tech and Boston University. I personally, at that point in time, was leaning towards Virginia Tech just because I like their academic program more. But I believe, Venkat sir and my parents kind of both discussed and that they believe that, I could um, study and live better in a city environment. Boston University is a city campus. Virginia Tech is pretty much in the middle of nowhere. So it's its own campus and there's nothing around it. Both, I guess, Venkat sir and like my parents and everybody else knew that I would like I need other stuff to do apart from university. So like if I'm bored, I need other stuff around, and if I don't have that, I might not study and like grow as much. Yeah. So for me, I think it's definitely the personal attention that students get. Maybe some other like coaching institutes or schools might not give a personal attention to specific students, like each student. But I feel like Venkat sir and Aaigen now like care about each of their students, and follow through with each of their students as to what they want, and make sure that they get the best possible that's available out there. Nothing specific from my side. Like, I mean, just that I've said again, in making the whole process, easy and streamlined. A lot of my parents, friends, children, like not really relatives or not my friends, but a lot of my like parents, friends, children keep asking questions like, what do you need to do, and how did you do it? What documents did you require? How did you pick a university? How do you know what universities to apply for? And yeah, a lot of questions. Yeah, definitely. I will definitely suggest Aaigen. I have actually already suggested Aaigen to a couple of people who have already gotten in touch with Venkat